Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be doing a parts review. This is my very first one. I got some parts from M&T Manufacturing out of Rhode Island. That's their logo. It's upside down because that's the only way I could figure out how to open the box, but let's get started. I got my trusty knife from the dollar store because I'm cheap and I just hit the camera, but whatever. Let me just try and get this corner and get that corner too. Tear that. This box is huge, so you really can't see it in full frame. They packed it full of this nice paper shredding, so we just throw that in the trash can and pull out the parts. No, that's not going to happen. Okay, we cut down the side of the box. And gotta do a little bit of that. There we go. Do a little tearing. There we go. You can kind of see it. There's two of them in there. There we go. All right. Not going to show that. Might have to blur that. We'll see. These are really stuck in this box. Too bad they didn't have a bigger one. Okay. Let me just keep cutting. This box is literally huge. It's probably almost 3 feet long. I don't know if you can tell by now, but these are rear quarter panels for the Beetle because, there we go. Rear quarter panels. I'll do a better look around them. They are a little flimsy. Probably 20-22 gauge. But they're gone on my car, so specifically right here. That's why I bought it for my car. But yeah, a little flimsy. See a little rust, but that's not M&T Manufacturing's fault. That's Cloker Home. Everyone says don't get it, but it's the only place you can get this stuff unless you buy original. So that's how to do it. And the other side too, because it's gone on both sides of my car. It's once again with this black primer stuff. It's you gotta take it down. There are a lot of nicks and stuff on it, but whatever. It's reproduction parts. You get what you get. Definitely have to close that hole up and all that, but it works. It works, and they were $56, and they got here in a day. They shipped it yesterday. Got it here today, the 12th, and there is a ton of this stuff. That's nice. Okay, well I'm going to do a show you them in their full view, not just the little close-ups because the camera's angled down at the box. So let's get to that. Okay, here they are in their full form. You can see there's definitely a few dents and scratches and stuff, but you know, for $26 each, you can't go wrong with these. They're they go all the way around. And they have these. This is specifically why I got it on mine. That rusts out. It's got the bolts to bolt the running boards into if you don't have the heater channels. But you can cut this off. I assume. I might just leave it for. That was an awful noise. You can see it. This sticker has all the information on it from Cloker Home. Hold it there for a second. Okay, and you can also see that it these are only tack welded. Well, not tack welded, but they're kind of poorly welded too. Probably would like to weld those before you weld them up better before you put them in the car. And this flange right here, this is so you can do a lap weld. I do not suggest doing that. If you do a lap weld, the heat when the car gets hot, you might be able to see that line because the way the metal expands and contracts. But yeah, they're my opinion, very good for the money. There will be links in the description to this, my social medias, and t-shirts if you're interested in that. But you probably came here for this. Yeah, so thank you all for watching. And if you'd like to get these, links in the description. And also, they do convertible tops. I don't know if you can see that, convertibletopguys.com. They do convertible tops for, I'm pretty sure, all makes and models and years of cars. So if you have a convertible car, go and check them out. Link in the description to that website too. But yeah, thanks for watching. Make sure you like it if you liked it. Don't like it if you don't. You know where that button is. Subscribe if you like this content because there will be more of it. in the future. And
Hi guys, thank you all for watching to the end of the video. I'd like to wish you all a happy 2018 and let you know that I have a new t-shirt design uploaded to my Teespring store. It features a bay window camper on the front and driver found across the back shoulders. If you are interested in that, a link will be in the description below. Thanks again for watching.